Welcome to this set of tutorials on Flash Video. If you're interested in using Flash Video to generate revenue, to educate, to communicate more effectively to your customers, or to create a multimedia site that's more interactive and involving, this series of tutorials was produced for you. Flash is the most popular multimedia tool for the Internet. It allows you to create video online that almost anyone with a browser can view. And in these tutorials, you'll get all the information that you need to publish video using Flash, from very easy and simple techniques to more sophisticated and feature-rich approaches. I do assume that you already have the video. So this is not a course in video production. It's about taking existing video and working with it and publishing it online using Flash. I start with the basics, try to give you a good solid foundation in the terminology and concepts of Flash Video, maybe demystify the jargon a little bit. We talk about importing and exporting video from the Flash environment, and about using components like the FLV playback component to deploy video. I do go into ActionScript for Flash Video quite extensively. I did try to keep the ActionScript as straightforward as possible. And in addition, quite often 99% of it is generic, and you can adapt it to your own uses just by changing one little thing, such as the name of the video file that you want to play. Be sure to download the work files. These are all working examples that you can modify for your own use. We talk about using captions and cue points. I show you how to create an automated speech transcript. And in that particular example, we use not just Flash, but we go into Premiere Pro and Sound Booth. I do include some examples of streaming media using the Flash Media Server, and also the F4V file format that uses the H.264 codec, which is a new feature in Flash CS4. I show you how to use some other cool new CS4 features, such as 3D animation and the motion editor with Flash Video. I go into alpha channels, applying filters and blend modes to video, using Pixel Bender to create custom filters and blend modes and get some really cool effects. I do assume some basic familiarity with the Flash interface. On the other hand, particularly in the early tutorials, I do try to go step by step, even for very basic things like opening a panel from the window menu. And then in later tutorials, I may assume that you know that now. So let's get started. I hope that you'll find these tutorials fun, informative, and useful, and that they'll help you accomplish your goals with Flash Video.